Hello guys, welcome to Mirabicono Diabetes Education. It's that time of the year when vacation is on everyone's mind. But if you have diabetes, you might be wondering how to enjoy your trip while taking care of your health. Well, worry no more. In today's video, we will share some simple and practical tips to help you have a fantastic vacation without compromising your diabetes management. So, sit back, relax and get ready to make the most of your vacation while keeping your health in check. But before we dive into the tips, make sure to hit on the subscribe button and also like this video. Now let's dive into these simple and practical tips. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Before you embark on your trip, make sure to plan ahead. Now, here is what you need to do. Consult your healthcare provider. Seek guidance from your healthcare team to ensure you have all the necessary supplies, prescriptions, and any additional precautions specific to your condition. Carry extra supplies. Pack more insulin, test strips, lancets, and syringes than you anticipate needing. Unforeseen circumstances can occur, and having extra supplies will provide peace of mind. Think about extra batteries for your blood sugar meter. Research your destination. Learn about the availability of medical facilities, pharmacies, and emergency services at your destination. This information can be crucial in case of any unexpected event. Also, make sure to have a written declaration from your physician translated with your medication and other medical information concerning you. Tip number 2, pack and store insulin safely. Proper storage of insulin is vital to maintain its effectiveness. Invest in a cooling bag to store your insulin. These bags help maintain the required temperature range, especially during long flights or hot weather. Keep insulin in carry-on luggage or hand baggage. It's important to pack your insulin in your carry-on luggage rather than checked baggage. Temperature fluctuations in the cargo can impact insulin quality. Carry a doctor's note. Make sure you have a letter from your healthcare provider explaining your need to carry insulin and other diabetes supplies. This can help during security checks at the airport or border crossings. Tip number 3, prepare for time zone changes. Yes, traveling across different time zones can affect your insulin routine. So, consider the following. Adjust your insulin schedule. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best way to adjust your insulin dosage and timing to match your new time zone. They may recommend gradually transitioning over a few days. Update your alarms. If you rely on alarms or reminders for your insulin injections, ensure that you adjust them accordingly to match your new schedule. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Keep a close eye on your blood sugar levels during the transition period. Changes in activity levels, meal timings, and sleep patterns can impact your diabetes management. Tip number 4, prepare for emergencies. While we hope you won't encounter any emergencies, it's always better to be prepared. Take note of the following. Carry identification. Wear a medical alert bracelet or necklace indicating that you have diabetes. In case of an emergency, this can provide crucial information to the medical professionals. Know local emergency numbers. Familiarize yourself with the emergency contact numbers at your destination. It's important to be prepared in case you need immediate medical assistance. Inform travel companions. Make sure your travel companions are aware of your condition. know how to recognize and respond to low or high blood sugar, and understand the steps to take in an emergency. Test your blood sugar regularly. We hope you have found this video both informative and inspiring. Remember, having diabetes doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the joy of traveling and exploring the world. By planning ahead, staying mindful of your diet and medications, and seeking support from healthcare professionals, you can confidently embark on unforgettable adventures while effectively managing your diabetes. Don't let anything hold you back from experiencing the beauty and wonder this world has to offer. So, pack your bags, be prepared, and let your wanderlust guide you to an incredible destinations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, keep exploring, and happy holidays. Bye.